Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best HydroSlick is probably one of the most advanced ceramic wax infused with SiO2 that provides a durable, hydrophobic shield for your vehicle, making water bead and roll off effortlessly, leaving a deep, glossy shine that protects against the elements and makes washing your car a breeze. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, 2-pack. Introducing the ultimate solution for your car's interior. This versatile formula is designed to clean and protect all your surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Safely clean dashboards, door panels, screens, and more. It gently lifts away dirt and grime without causing any fading or damage to your interior. This powerful cleaner not only removes tough grime but also leaves behind a protective layer. It helps resist dust and fingerprints, maintaining a fresh look. Achieve a showroom finish with effortless application. Simply spray and wipe for a quick touch-up or a full interior detail, no extra steps needed. Enjoy a natural sheen that looks factory fresh, never greasy or slippery. It ensures your interior remains inviting and pristine. Beyond your car, this cleaner is perfect for use around your home or office. Safely refresh desks, countertops, and other surfaces for a glowing finish anywhere. What we like. This interior cleaner is your go-to for a complete cabin refresh. It tackles leather, vinyl, plastic, and even glass, leaving a streak-free, natural finish. If you're looking for a single product to maintain your entire car's interior, this is it. What people say. This product is a game-changer for car detailing. It provides a hydrophobic barrier that repels water and dirt effectively. The shine it leaves on the paint is incredible, making the car look brand new. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Ultimate Scratch-Free Car Wash Bucket Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Car Wash Kit from Chemical Guys. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a superior cleaning experience. Our innovative bucket features a dirt trap insert. It effectively separates dirt and grit from your wash mitt, preventing scratches and swirls. This kit includes professional-grade tools like a premium chenille wash mitt, a dirt trap, and a sturdy bucket with a lid. The lid can be used for storage or as a convenient seat. It also comes with a 16-ounce bottle of our citrus wash and gloss car soap. This HydroSlick formula lifts dirt easily while enhancing your vehicle's shine. You can safely use this kit on all your vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and RVs. It's perfect for both weekend enthusiasts and professional detailers. This makes an excellent starter set for new detailers or thoughtful gift for any car enthusiast. Begin washing your vehicle like a pro with this essential kit. What we like. This kit is designed to give you a swirl-free wash every time. The included dirt trap filters out grit, protecting your paint. If you're a beginner detailer or want to ensure your car stays free of wash-induced scratches, this is the perfect starter set. What people say. This product is amazing and it works so well. I love this product and it is the best. This product is a must-have for your car. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Matte Renew Rubber and Vinyl Cleaner. Are your rubber and vinyl floor mats looking dull and worn out? It's time to bring them back to life with our advanced cleaning and protecting formula. This powerful cleaner penetrates deep to lift away dirt, grime, and stains from your mats. It effectively restores their original look and feel. Not only does it clean, but it also protects your mats from future damage. Enjoy a renewed appearance that lasts. Perfect for all your rubber liners and running boards, it's safe for use in cars, trucks, and SUVs. Get a comprehensive clean for all your vehicles. Simply spray it on, wipe it down, and watch the transformation. It's an easy way to maintain the pristine condition of your vehicle's interior. Revitalize your car's interior with this essential cleaning solution. Experience the difference a truly clean mat can make. What we like. Revitalize your floor mats and other rubber or vinyl surfaces with this specialized cleaner and protectant. It removes tough grime while restoring a like-new look and adding a protective layer. If your car's floor mats are looking worn and dirty, this product will bring them back to life. What people say. The HydroSlick ceramic coating is a game-changer for car enthusiasts. It provides a durable, hydrophobic layer that repels water and dirt, making cleaning a breeze. The glossy finish it leaves behind is simply stunning, giving your vehicle a showroom-quality look. Number 2. Chemical Guys Synthetic Quick Detailer. Introducing the ultimate quick detailer spray. It's designed to give your vehicle a brilliant shine and a protective layer, all in one easy step. Safely wipe away dust, fingerprints, and smudges with this advanced formula. It works wonders on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, leaving surfaces immaculate. Experience enhanced gloss and depth like never before. Its polymers amplify paint color and reflections for a stunning, freshly detailed look in minutes. Enjoy a perfectly smooth and clean surface. This exterior cleaner is safe for all finishes, leaving absolutely no streaks or residue behind. Keep your vehicle looking its best between washes. It adds a protective layer that repels contaminants, extending the life of your existing coatings. Achieve professional-grade results with minimal effort. Simply spray and wipe for a showroom shine, perfect for quick touch-ups or pre-show perfection. What we like. Achieve a dazzling shine in minutes with this quick detailer. It safely removes light dust and smudges while boosting gloss and adding a protective layer. If you need a fast way to make your car look freshly detailed between washes or before a show, this is your secret weapon. What people say. This product is amazing, it works great and leaves a nice shine. I love how easy this product is to use, and it lasts a long time. This is the best ceramic coating I have ever used, it is very durable and hydrophobic. Number 1. Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Kit. It's everything you need for a professional car wash right at home. Get ready for a brilliant shine. Our foam cannon connects to your pressure washer to create thick, luxurious suds. These suds lift away dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free clean every time. This kit includes 6 16-ounce bottles of our best cleaning solutions. You'll get shampoo, wool cleaner, and protectants to make every part of your vehicle sparkle. We've included all the essential tools for a complete detailing process. From washing and drying to intricate detailing, you'll have everything you need. Our gentle, pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are safe for all your vehicle's surfaces. Achieve showroom results without any worry of damage. This versatile kit isn't just for cars. It's perfect for cleaning and shining boats, RVs, motorcycles, and more. Get that perfect finish on any vehicle. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a professional car wash experience at home. The foam cannon creates thick suds for a scratch-free clean, and the included chemicals cover all your detailing needs. If you want a complete, high-quality detailing setup that works with your pressure washer, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. It works great on my black truck and the water beads right off. This product is amazing, it makes my car look so shiny and new. I love how easy it is to apply and it lasts for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.